Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to do a quick video about my garden gate, my custom garden gate, I should say. I made this out of scrap wood. I've talked about this on other videos before, but I decided to finally do a video about it. It's been up for over a year, so it definitely needs my repaint. What I did is I have this area where it comes off my sunroom down into the backyard. So I needed a gate there just to keep, animals from running in the backyard, stray animals, whatever, right? Is what my goal was. Talking a little bit about the construction of this. This is just leftover 1x treated I had. These are 2x4 treated that make up the square piece of the decking. These are recycled rail pieces that I removed from another project. And then these in here are ripped down cedar fence posts that I made just to make it a little more unique, I think. Like I said, it needs painted. Here's a view from the back. One side attaches to my fence, the other side attaches to my house. It uses standard, what I would call fence gate hardware. I just bought that, I think at Home Depot is what it was. So I need to add a little oil to that one. It's starting to rust a little bit, but that way, easily somebody from the other side can just reach over, unlock, and get in if they need to get in. I guess I misquoted on the first part. The bottom ones are 1x, leftover 1x deck railing, basically. I got a little bit of sag over the years on it, construction-wise, I use mini screws in here to try to make it as square as possible. I'm pleased with it. It works really well. I need to go back and paint that screw, don't I? It works really well for the purpose. I just need to go back and repaint the whole thing. I've scattered pictures in here to show the build process. I took a few pictures along the way, but really simple, fun project. Works perfect for what I need. And best of all, the project was mostly free. I think the only thing I bought that wasn't recycled was the cedar fence plank that I just ripped down on my table saw and made those horizontal pieces. But anyway, guys, just a quick video update on some projects around the house. That's all we got for now. We'll see you next time.